This story right here is a wake-up call for every busy, stressed out, always doing something Christian. Martha is running around, sweating, trying to make everything perfect for Jesus, while Mary just sits down at his feet, soaking in every word. Martha gets frustrated. She's thinking, Jesus, don't you see I'm doing all the work? Tell Mary to help me. But Jesus doesn't rebuke Mary. He actually corrects Martha. He says, Martha, Martha, you're worried and troubled about many things, but only one thing is truly necessary. Mary chose the good part, and it won't be taken away from her. Here's the punchline. It's not about how much you do for God, but how much you receive from Him. Mary wasn't being lazy. She was hungry for the Word, desperate for Jesus Himself. That's the heart God wants. We get so caught up in serving, fixing, and performing, but Jesus is saying, slow down. Sit with me. Let me fill you. The greatest thing you can do is to be with Jesus, to listen, to let His words change you. That's the good part, and nobody can steal that from you.
Ngunit isang bagay ang kailangan at pinili ni Maria ang mabuting bahagi na hindi kukunin sa kanya. Lucas 10, versikulo 42, KJV.
Paalala para sa bawat Kristiyanong abala, stresado at laging may ginagawa. Si Marta ay nagtatakbo-takbo pawisan, sinusubukang gawing perpekto ang lahat para kay Jesus, habang si Maria naman ay nakaupo lamang sa kanyang panan, sinasala ang bawat salita. Naiinis si Marta, iniisip niya, Jesus, hindi mo ba nakikita na ako lang ang gumagawa ng lahat ng trabaho? Sabihin mo kay Mary na tulungan ako, pero hindi pinagalitan ni Jesus si Maria, kinukorek niya talaga si Marta. Sabi niya, Marta, Marta, nag-aalala ka at naguguluhan sa maraming bagay, pero isa lang ang talagang kailangan. Pinili ni Maria ang mabuting bahagi at hindi ito kukunin sa kanya. Narito ang punchline, hindi ito tungkol sa kung gaano karami ang ginagawa mo para sa Diyos, kundi kung gaano karami ang natatanggap mo mula sa Kanya. Ang kaya mula sa Kanya. Hindi tamad si Maria, gutom siya sa salita, desperado siya para kay Jesus mismo. Yan ang pusong gusto ng Diyos, nababaling tayo sa paglilingkod, pag-aayos at pagganap, pero sinasabi ni Jesus, bumagal ka, umupo ka kasama ko, hayaan mo akong punuin ka. Ang pinakamagandang bagay na maaari mong gawin ay ang makasama si Jesus, makinig at hayang baguhin ka ng Kanyang mga salita. At walang makakakuha niyan mula sa'yo.
Paki-share po ang channel para sa kaluwalhatian ng Diyos. Si Jesus ay Hari.